Social media na kam thengna chawkhatlaba matam asida digital journalism amadi content creator aniki khenaba sing miyamna khangba amadi khenaba sing kaihandana thamba mathau tai haina Directorate of Information and Public Relation gi Director A Subhasna phongdokre wapam asi North AOC da laiba hotel Imphal da pangthokhiba lamdam asigi digital news platform ama oriba Manipur update ki ahanba Manipur Digital Media Conclave English anika kuntaruk amadi Digital Journalism Award lanthokhpagi thoramda Chief Guest ki warol piraduna A Subhasna haikibani ngalinge matamda e pau ama fangnaba honaba matamda matam chana fangba ngamnamdrabasu ngasidi social media amadi digital media platform kaya thoklakpa loinana mobile phone gi khuthangda e pau pumba fanglaba matam asida senda lambi oina thoklakliba content creator page natroga channel sing amasung miyam gi kanagadaba e pau piriba platform singi kenaba ningthina thambagi tangai fadaba lei pau ama phongba haibasi Fonga dawriba pau adu kadai fawa chumi natraga lali haibadu ningthina khangdoklaba tungda miyamgi amadi laibaki kanagadaba maongda pau fongba pau pigadabani adum oinamak kanagumba singna khanthadaba achum aranthidaba ahanba tanaba oina fonglakpa pau singna ahenba wathok hena oiraknabagi machak ohili haiki masida natana digital journalism gi lamda lairiba journalist singnasu miyamna khangjinba watpa lengang piriba kharadi scheme amadi thabak thoram singi maramdasu miyambu khanghanaba honaningbagi appeal su tauki Directorate of Information and Public Relation Government of Manipur gi Director A Subhas na Manipur update ki founding editor oiramba senior journalist Sabapati Samam All Manipur Working Journalists Union gi President Asem Bakta amadi Tribal Affairs and Hills Government of Manipur gi Joint Secretary Ngangom Utamna mathang sitna Chief Guest President amadi Guest of Honor oina sarukya ki thoram aduda Digital Journalist of the Year English aniga kuntaruk Promising Digital Journalist Award Distinguished Service in Digital Journalism Award Best Credible Digital Media Page Channel Jury Choice Digital Journalism Award Singsu Lanthokhare
Digital journalists reporters they need to check fake misinformation check examples voice digital journalists they need to give voice to the unheard part digital journalism content creator differentiate more likes, more share you use the power available in your hand. Power to see the right information